Hello. In IELTS and other English exams, using the same word repeatedly can lower your score, but knowing synonyms changes that. It lets you express the same ideas in different ways, showing vocabulary range, improving fluency, and making your writing and speaking sound more natural and advanced. In this section, I will give you three synonyms for each word and provide a sample sentence for one. Your task is to create your own sentences for the other two. After that, I will give you feedback to help you improve. Also, listen to this podcast repeatedly. Over time, it will help you get comfortable using synonyms naturally and improve your vocabulary, speaking, listening, and writing skill. So let's get started. Use synonyms: utilize, employ, apply. Use this tool, utilize this tool. Angry. Synonyms are mad, furious, irritated. I'm angry. I'm furious. Stupid. Synonyms: foolish, silly, dumb. That was stupid. That was foolish. Smart. Synonyms are intelligent, clever, bright. She's smart. She's intelligent. Let's start with simple words. The word is good. Synonyms are excellent, great, fine. Example. This is a good example. This is an excellent example. Bad. Synonyms: poor, terrible, awful. The result was bad. The result was terrible. Big. Synonyms: large, huge, enormous. It is a big house. It is a huge house. One thing to remember is that you don't have to use the fancy words all the time. You can use simple words, but there has to be a variety. Small. Synonyms: tiny, little, minor. She has a small bag. She has a tiny bag. Fast. Synonyms: quick, rapid, speedy. The car is fast. The car is quick. Slow. Synonyms: sluggish, unhurried, gradual. He's slow. He's unhurried. Happy. Synonyms: joyful, cheerful, glad. She feels happy. She feels joyful. Sad. Synonyms: unhappy, sorrowful, downcast. He looks sad. He looks sorrowful. Beautiful. Synonyms: attractive, pretty, lovely. The view is beautiful. The view is lovely. Ugly. Synonyms: unattractive, plain, unsightly. The building is ugly. It is unsightly. Easy. Synonyms: simple, effortless, straightforward. The task is easy. The task is simple. Hard. Synonyms: difficult, tough, challenging. The exam is hard. The exam is challenging. Rich. Synonyms: wealthy, affluent, well off. He's rich. He's wealthy. Poor. Synonyms: needy, broke, impoverished. They are poor. They are needy. Hot. Synonyms: warm, scorching, boiling. It's hot today. It is scorching. Cold. Cool, chilly, freezing. It is cold outside. It is freezing. New. Synonyms: recent, fresh, modern. This is a new phone. This is a modern form. Old. Synonyms: aged, ancient, outdated. The car is old. It is outdated. Start. Synonyms: begin, commence, initiate. We start class. We begin class. End. Synonyms: finish, conclude, terminate. The meeting will end soon. It will conclude soon. Help. Synonyms: assist, aid, support. I will help you. I will assist you. Stop. Synonyms: halt, cease, pause. Please stop talking. Please pause talking. Go. Synonyms: move, proceed, travel. Let's go now. Let's proceed now. Come. Synonyms: arrive, approach, enter. Please come here. Please approach here. See. Synonyms: look, observe, notice. I see the problem. I observe the problem. Look. Synonyms: watch, view, glance. Look at this. View this. Say. Synonyms: speak, tell, state. Say your name. State your name. Tell. Synonyms: inform, notify, explain. Tell me the truth. Inform me the truth. Make. Synonyms: create, produce, build. They make a plan. They create a plan. Do. Synonyms: perform, carry out, execute. Do you work? Perform your work. Get. Synonyms: obtain, receive, acquire. Get the book. Obtain the book. Give. Synonyms: provide, offer, grant. Give me time. Provide me time. Take. Synonyms: grab, seize, obtain. Take this pen. Grab this pen. Want. Synonyms: desire, wish, crave. I want coffee. I desire coffee. Need. Synonyms: require, demand, necessitate. I need help. I require help. Think. Synonyms: believe, consider, ponder. I think it's true. I believe it's true. Know. Synonyms: understand, recognize, comprehend. I know him. I understand him. Find. Synonyms: discover, locate, detect. Find the key. Locate the key. Keep. Synonyms: retain, hold, maintain. Keep it safe. Retain it. Leave. Synonyms: depart, exit, abandon. Leave now. Depart now. Bring. Synonyms: carry, transport, deliver. Bring water. Carry water. Buy, purchase, acquire, obtain. Buy food. Purchase food. Sell. Trade, market, exchange. They sell goods. They trade goods. Ask. Synonyms: question, inquire, request. Ask a question. Inquire politely. Answer. Synonyms: reply, respond, react. Answer quickly. Respond quickly. Talk. Synonyms: speak, chat, converse. We talk daily. We converse daily. Work. Synonyms: labor, operate, function. I work here. I function here. Play. Synonyms: enjoy, engage, participate. Children play. Children engage. Win. Synonyms: Succeed, triumph, achieve. They win the game. They succeed. Lose. Synonyms: fail, misplace, drop. Don't lose hope. Don't fail. Open. Synonyms: unlock, expose, reveal. Open the door. Unlock the door. Close. Synonyms: shut, seal, end. Close the window. Shut the window. Clean. Synonyms: tidy, wash, purify. Clean the room. Tidy the room. Dirty. Synonyms: unclean, soiled, filthy. The door is dirty. It is filthy. Strong. Synonyms: powerful, sturdy, robust. He's strong. He's powerful. Weak. Synonyms: fragile, feeble, weakly. She feels weak. She feels feeble. Bright. Synonyms: shiny, brilliant, luminous. The light is bright. It is brilliant. Dark. Synonyms: dim, shadowy, gloomy. The room is dark. It is gloomy. Early. Synonyms: prompt, ahead, premature. Arrive early. Arrive ahead. Late. Synonyms: delayed, overdue, tardy. He is late. He is tardy. Near. Synonyms: close, nearby, adjacent. The store is near. It's close. Far. Synonym: distant, remote, far away. The town is far. It is remote. True. Synonyms: real, accurate, correct. This is true. This is correct. False. Synonyms: incorrect, untrue, wrong. The answer is false. It is incorrect. Right. Synonyms: correct, proper, accurate. Your answer is right. It is correct. Wrong. Synonyms: incorrect, mistaken, improper. That is wrong. That is mistaken. High. Synonyms: tall, elevated, lofty. The mountain is high. It is tall. Low. Synonyms: short, beneath, reduced. The price is low. It is reduced. Modern. Synonyms: current, contemporary, up to date. This is modern. This is contemporary. Messy. Synonyms: untidy, disordered, cluttered. The desk is messy. It is cluttered. Full. Synonyms: packed, filled, loaded. The bag is full. It is packed. Empty. Synonyms: vacant, hollow, bare. The room is empty. It is vacant. Safe. Synonyms: secure, protected, guarded. This place is safe. It is secure. Dangerous. Synonyms: risky, unsafe, hazardous. The area is dangerous. It is hazardous. Important. Synonyms: significant, essential, vital. This is important. It is essential. Unimportant. Synonyms: minor, trivial, insignificant. This detail is unimportant. It is trivial. Fake. Synonyms: false, artificial, counterfeit. The product is fake. It's counterfeit. Calm. Synonyms: peaceful, relaxed, quiet. Stay calm. Stay relaxed. Nervous. Synonyms: anxious, uneasy, worried. She is nervous. She is anxious. Friendly. Synonyms: kind, warm, welcoming. He's friendly, he's kind. Rude. Synonyms: impolite, disrespectful, crude. That was rude. That was impolite. Honest. Synonyms: truthful, sincere, frank. Be honest. Be truthful. Dishonest. Synonyms: deceitful, false, untruthful. He was dishonest. He was deceitful. Brave. Synonyms: courageous, bold, fearless. She's brave. She's fearless. Afraid. Synonyms: scared, fearful, terrified. He's afraid. He's scared. Simple. Synonyms: basic, plain, uncomplicated. The idea is simple. It is basic. Complex. Synonyms: complicated, intricate, detailed. The system is complex. It is complicated. Cheap. Synonyms: inexpensive, low cost, affordable. The item is cheap. It is affordable. Expensive. Synonyms: costly, pricey, dear. The car is expensive. It is pricey. Busy. Synonyms: occupied, engaged, active. I'm busy. I'm occupied.